Hi, I'm James from Fine Country and you join me here today on Eastnor Grove, one of Leamington Spa's most desirable streets, where we've got this absolutely beautifully refurbished period villa. We've got gardens at front and rear, parking and a garage. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the rear garden of this fabulous home where you can see the full extent of this beautiful kitchen dining refurbishment. If you'd like more information, please contact me in the details that follow. Thank you for watching.